Are there any advantages over owning your home versus renting? I'm going to do a brief overview on the differences between renting and owning a home. So here's some pros and cons. Now, I'm going to try to keep my personal opinion out of this, but one of the main pros here is it's a long-term investment. Buying a home functions as a savings account over time. Every month, you're making your payments, and part of that payment is going in building equity on that home, which in the long run, it's your money and you will have access to that. And once you pay that home off, you can get quite a large lump sum as a cash out if you like, or you can sell the home and move somewhere else. One of these other pros is this investment is not only just a savings account, but in almost every situation over long periods of time, real estate increases in value. So very similar to the stock market, you invest a certain amount of dollars or finances and later they are worth more. So it can be a fantastic place to park your money.
Oh, hey guys, good to see you there. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Now, of course, not everything comes without cons. So some of the cons here would be that the home has liabilities. You do have to maintain homeowner's insurance in case something happens on the property and you could possibly get sued, or your insurance company could get sued, and that could be a headache for you. So it's one of the cons that you wouldn't have if you're renting. Another con would be the upkeep and maintenance. Now, when you own a home versus renting, that you are responsible for the upkeep on that property. So it's something to look into and factor that cost in when you're doing your pros and cons yourself. And the last con I can think of is things like lawn care and or snow removal, things like that. Those are going to be things that you're now responsible for where you may not have been when renting. Now, I did promise I wouldn't have my personal opinion in the video, but I can't help it. I think 9 out of 10 times it's going to make way more sense to buy a property instead of renting. Just do the math and make sure the rent in your area isn't significantly lower than what it would cost you to purchase. And in that case, I suggest you buy. For more videos like this, go on over to lendingdictionary.com and keep watching.